Alright guys, let's get started with this day trading recap video. So, pretty annoying what just happened. You can see my P&L there. It says $15 and my commission's $40. I was actually up on the day $45 right before I started recording this video. I was writing in my calendar, I win for the day, another green day, right? Consistency is the key. That's what I've been trying to work on. And I'm looking at COGT right here, and it's like popping up a little bit. I'm not really I'm not going to trade the stock. I'm done for the day. I've already wrapped up for the day. And so what I do is I lock my market windows here. I just lock it, just because I have cats, and so sometimes they jump up on my workspace, my desk, and I'm afraid they might click a key and buy X amount of shares of something that I don't want to buy, and I end up losing a ton of money. And so to avoid that, I just press those lock buttons. And so, I'm sitting here looking at the stock and, okay, cool. Our COGT is running up a little bit. Let me just go ahead and lock it though and get started with this day trading recap. I'm hovering over the buy button though, and I buy 500 shares of COGT at like the high of day as it's about to reverse and come back down. And so I buy at 675, then immediately I'm down like $50 because of the spread. Um, and so yeah. And so I ended up going into the red actually, about, I want to say maybe $15-20. And so I was down a little bit more, but then I took another scalp trade on COGT, got myself back into the green on the realized, at least on the realized, but then, commission's $40, so still leaves me negative 25 on the day. And I'm trying to decide if I'm just going to count that as a loss for today, or if it's just going to be a dud. I mean, I guess I'll just count it as a loss. That's a part of trading. It's fat fingers, or fat clicking fingers. Doesn't help that I'm kind of tired right now, and so that's a problem. I just wasn't paying attention, and so, anyways, that's what just happened. I was up $45 in the day, but now I'm down 25 after commissions. Yeah, so you can see right here my trade log, AMRH just made a completely parabolic move today, but I was not able to trade it because right before the bell, SureTrader, gave me their message right here. And today, guess what? You can't trade AMRH because it's restricted 1-to-1, and so couldn't trade that. I said whatever, it's fine. I'm sure there's going to be other opportunities. If like sympathy stocks perhaps on AMRH, traders who miss this opportunity and they just jump into the next stock that gets moving. And so there were a couple of stocks like that I'd managed to capture some profit on. So, but you can see AMRH here went from, opened up right here at about 970. I was watching it pre-market. I don't trade pre-market, but I was watching it during this move right here as it was just squeezing up. And so some consolidation right through here, and then as soon as it opened, at 9:30, as soon as it opened, it went up, and there was no stopping it. You can see right here on this one candle alone, it opened at 997 and went to a high of pretty much $13, and so it made a 3-point move in that one candle right there. I mean, that's just crazy, just absolutely crazy. And you can see the 5-minute chart here just went up and then went down, so crazy move right there. But anyways, didn't trade that one. Ended up taking my first trade about a minute and a half after the bell on TNDM. Sorry, my mic is like right here and it blocks my keyboard. So my trade was at 931.43, so pretty much out of the gate. I was looking for, I think I was gonna scalp just the break of yeah, the break of high of day. And so the high of this candle right here went to a high of 394. You can see right here I got in 500 shares at 380. Ended up selling at 385. I think as it was coming back down. So could have captured a little bit more profit, but I just held it a little bit too long. So hoping that it would break over the whole dollar. But it didn't. It just sort of acted as resistance instead of a place for shorts to get squeezed out at. So, anyways, next trade was on staff, and so that was actually I got in right before a halt. And so staff popped up on the momentum scanners, and it was super light on volume. I'm talking like maybe 50,000 shares of volume when it popped up. And so I just didn't feel really comfortable getting into it until more volume came in. And I told myself, if volume starts coming into the stock, I'll possibly look at it. I'll go long at like around $4 for the break of the whole dollar. And so you can see right here, 500 shares at 397 at 10:08. And so that would have been, wait, where am I at? Jeez, I'm tired, guys. Sorry. Let me scroll way over. Okay. No, oops. No. Okay. So 10:08. Okay, here we go. It's right here. Yeah. So you can see right here, just slowly squeezing up, and then we got this move right here. Not much volume. I mean, you can see right here. It's just only the stock me looks COGT just. Gosh, I still can't believe I did that. I mean, I was just like so frustrated with myself when I did that. But yeah, you see right here, staff, not a lot of volume. I ended up getting in right before the halt, and so I got in long 500 shares at 397. Then it halted, and wait, hold on, is that right? Huh. I guess, wait, what's this doing? I guess I got it. I guess I got filled really high, maybe. 397. And this candle, it went to a high of 385. Jeez. I don't know what happened there, guys. I'm going to have to go look at the live trading video. Maybe I still had maybe I still had my entry at $4 and I just pressed the buy button, so I got filled super high. That's kind of annoying. I mean, geez. Man, I'm so tired. So 389 is where I got in. 397 is where I sold. Okay, I need more sleep. Seriously, I can't keep doing this where I'm just like not getting enough sleep. So captured a little bit of profit there. That's what got me up an extra $40 in the day and put me up green on the day. Well, I was up green after the first trade, but after that trade, I was up about 65 bucks after commissions, $40. And then you can see right here, COGT 675. That was literally the high of day for well, not the high of day, but that was the high for that candle before it reversed and went back down to like 50 or something like that. I ended up selling 5-cent tick stock too, and so it moves pretty quickly. And ended up selling that 660 for a loss big enough to take me into the red. But then I got back in, scalped, break of high day again, got in 680, ended up selling at 685. I tried to sell a little bit higher, but I just couldn't get filled, so I ended up selling a little bit lower, but still captured some profit on that. So that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna get my hair cut. I have a hair appointment here in a second. That's partially part of the reason why I was rushing so much, and that's why I probably clicked the buy button instead of the lock button. I'm just not gonna worry about pressing that lock button anymore. It's just not worth it. I can't make that same mistake again, you know. So, anyways, guys, closing up shop today. I'm gonna post my live trading recap video here in a second. I'll go over that and commentate that and then post that as well. So I really appreciate you guys who are subscribed and who are watching, and you can see my journey as I go through just the grind of a new trader, you know, a completely new trader. I'm not somebody who is a veteran who has, years of experience behind me. I've seen traders do that. It's easy for them to go from a small account to a massive account. And to me, it's just, I get it. It's like the principle is there, but it's they're still veterans, And so I wanted to like truly capture what it's like as a beginner trader to just go through the process of learning how to trade. And so I think it'll help people in the future just see exactly like what it's about, and if they're feeling discouraged, they can come back to these videos and just kind of watch them to see that everyone has to go through this stage. Even these silly mistakes like this, like press and buy when you don't mean to, even that kind of stuff, I think a lot of traders go through. And so, at least the traders that I've talked to have made those type of mistakes. Fortunately for me, it wasn't that severe. So, I guess I can be optimistic with that. But yeah, that's about it for today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully we get some good opportunities again. Today we had some pretty decent opportunities, especially since AMRH went sort of parabolic. It's sort of created some sympathy in the market. So maybe we'll get the same thing tomorrow, and I'll be able to capture profit and not make a fat finger mistake again. So thanks so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.